Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from KuCoin to XMO in 2025. If you're into crypto trading or just managing your assets, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and XMO. Start by logging into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including XRP. Select XRP from your holdings and click on the Withdraw option. Now, this is crucial. You'll need the XRP wallet address from your XMO account. So, quickly switch to XMO, log in, and go to your wallet section. Find your XRP address, make sure it's for the correct network, like the XRP ledger, and copy it. Back on KuCoin, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything. The address, the amount you're transferring, and any network fees involved. KuCoin might charge a small fee, so factor that in to avoid surprises. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll probably need to verify this with 2FA or email for security. After that, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly, usually within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. When it's done, hop back to XMO and check your wallet. Your XRP should appear shortly. Remember, always verify wallet addresses to prevent losses, and keep an eye on the 2025 crypto regulations that might affect transfers. There you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from KuCoin to XMO. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.